we'll guide you through how to draw your Roblox avatar in Ibis Paint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your Ibis Paint application. Once the app is running, choose My Gallery and then tap the plus logo to start a new project. Next, pick your preferred canvas size based on how large you want your drawing to be. In this tutorial, you will be creating a blocky-style Roblox avatar, so keep that in mind as you continue. After setting up the canvas, change your brush texture to a style that you are comfortable using. Then go to the Shape option and choose the Rectangle Shape tool. Enable the Mirror Ruler option so both sides stay symmetrical. Now begin drawing your avatar's body by holding the left click on a specific spot and dragging it to the opposite side to form a block. Once the base body is made, erase any unnecessary lines and add a blank layer. Select this new layer and draw the avatar's arm using the same click and drag method you used for the body, starting from your chosen point. Repeat this process for the legs, and always remember to add a new blank layer before drawing each part to avoid errors. Next, go back to the Shape option and select the rounded rectangle to create the head. Place your pointer on a specific spot and use the same dragging method as before, adjusting the size so the head looks natural. After the avatar outline is ready, add a blank layer under the outline and switch your brush to the bucket tool. Pick a base color and click on each part of the avatar to fill it. Design the clothes the same way as the base by using your desired brush and color. Follow the same steps to create the pants. You can enhance your clothes design by adding some accessories or pattern. Add a blank layer above the head layer. Then draw the avatar's facial expression as a final touch. Make sure to review your colors and proportions before saving so everything appears balanced and clean. If needed, zoom in to fix small details or refine edges. When finished, select Export, choose Save Image, and click OK to keep your project saved.